Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I have already discussed in detail about the theoretical intuition of DBScan algorithm, right? And in my previous video, I have also discussed how you can implement DBScan in MATLAB. So programming part and theoretical part covered. Now I am going to discuss some notable difference between K-means, which is one of the most popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm, and DBScan. Okay. So first thing is K-means is highly affected by outliers, right? We have seen in the K-means discussion part. But in DBScan, it is not affected by outliers or noise. Rather, it separately classify those points as noise or outlier like that. In K-means, we need to first specify what is the K value. According to that, number of clusters will be formed. But in DBScan, we no need to specify number of clusters we require. Based on local density, it will be creating a number of clusters as required. Okay. Another very important disadvantage in K-means, we have seen that K-means algorithm works well if the clusters are having more or less spherical data. It never works well for complex arbitrary shape clusters. But as DBScan works on local density, that's why it works beautifully for any shape. Okay, there is arbitrary shape, complex shape data also, and it able to do clustering properly. That's what we are going to visualize. So I have created one data using MATLAB by my own. This is not any standard data, just for visualization purpose I have created this. So CLC clear all, close all, warning off. I am loading all the matlab.mat where my data is stored. There are several variables like x, y, x2, y2, x3, y3, t1, y1, etc. stored. I am taking all the x related variable, that is x axis data point in my x variable. I am appending all of them, and like the same way for all the y data points I am appending in y variable. Now I am iterating using one for loop in my data. I am plotting each data point with marker size 10 and line style as dot. So kind of scatter plot it will be coming. I am keeping constant axis where minimum x range is from -3, maximum x range to 3, minimum y is -1.5, maximum y is 3.5, and for animation purpose I am using draw now limit rate. You can use draw now only, but to make the whole process faster I am using limit rate also. Hold on I am using to plot the data points on the same figure window again and again, and I am ending this for loop. Okay. So I'll be running this whole code and let's see how much complex our data looks. Okay, I have told you that we will be visualizing the power of DBScan in clustering arbitrary shape data, but for that the data should have some complex shape, right? So let's first visualize how our actual complete data looks. Okay, so see, animation is happening in this side. So it is trying to take like kind of circular shape. So I hope by this time you have already understood how the shape is going to be. This is nothing but one smiling face is coming. So how many clusters should be formed? One for this border, that is face border. Here one for left eye, one for right eye, one for this smiling face, and another for noisy data. So actually total 5 clusters should be formed. Okay, and I have taken my DBScan parameters, that is our epsilon value, number of nearest neighbor to be considered as core point. I have set it such that it will be forming 5 clusters. Okay, so before doing DBScan on our data, first I am creating one single data by taking all of my x data as one column and all of my y data as another column, and I am applying DBScan on our data by taking epsilon value, that is radius of the circle, to be considered as 0.2 and 15 as nearest neighbor. Okay, right? I hope up to this it is clear to you. Then once we get the index, I need to plot this. So here I am using one for loop for traversing in my data. If index equal to 1, I am plotting using red colored dot. If index equal to 2, I am plotting using green colored dot. If index equal to 3, I am plotting using blue colored dot, then magenta color, and then here C color. Okay, so different colors I am using for plotting different clusters on the same image, so that we can visualize that yes, DBSCAN has done clustering well on this kind of complex data also. Okay, draw now, we are using draw now limited for animation. Hold on obviously to draw the data on the same figure. Okay, so first what I will be doing, I will be running these 3 lines. Okay, so DBSCAN will be computed using these 3. Once we get the index, I will be running this particular piece of code, that is this for loop. Obviously it is going to take some time, and you can see here these red points have started coming and overlapping on our face boundary part. So this red point we have used for index position 1. So basically the index 1 cluster has started forming, which is taking the facial part. Okay, right? So let's wait for some time, because the dataset is not very small, so it is going to take some time. But yeah, I am using MATLAB Online, so it is not that much dependent on our local machine configuration. So hope it will be completing its simulation soon. See, and here it is going. Okay, so see here simulation is done, because here double arrow came, right? Now see how beautifully it has clustered our this much complex structured data. The face part, it is taking red color shape, but if you observe here, some data points which are basically noise is coming, right? Then here this particular smiling part is magenta color, it is taking. This left eye, it is taking green color. This right eye, it is taking blue color, and this is C. This color is C color, right? C for cyan color, right? So this is how we have visualized this much on this much complex data. Also our DBSCAN able to perform clustering. The code, the data, everything will be provided in the description box. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.